I don't know about you, but I was starting to wonder if winter was ever going to arrive this year. But we're finally starting to get some colder weather, so I wanted to give 3 helpful tips on how to winterize your home. The first one's going to be starting with the outside and how to actually get your hose bibs taken care of. So there's a few steps you're going to want to do. First, you're going to want to go inside and find the exterior water valve and make sure you turn the water off for the outside. Once you've done that, you're going to want to come outside and do a few things. First, you're going to want to take off your hose bib here and make sure that's detached. Open up the line to make sure anything is actually drained out of it so there's no existing water going outside. And then lastly, what you're going to want to do is take these insulated hose bibs, put them on, tighten it, and then you'll have that on for the remainder of the winter until it gets to spring again. The second thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you're getting your HVAC serviced. At this time of year when temperatures start dropping, you're going to start to see that there's a lot more stress being put on your unit as it has to heat your home. So making sure that you have a qualified professional come out, tune up your system, and see if there's anything that's out of order going into the season will, 1, help the longevity of your system, but 2, prevent an occurrence where you might have to be in the middle of winter with no heat coming in. Oh, and by the way, while you're at it, this is a really good time for you to change out your filters, which is not just a winter activity, and you should be doing every 3 months, if not more often. And the third tip might actually require you to go somewhere you haven't gone in your house before, which is your attic. What you're going to want to do is go in your attic and check around the roof line to see if you're seeing any sign of moisture or water that's intruding into your house. With snow coming, as well as a fair amount of water that can happen in the winter, this is really a preventative measure so that you can address anything that may be a pre-existing problem if that were to happen over the winter. While you're at it, you can also call someone or do it yourself and make sure that your gutters on your roof are also getting cleared out of any tree and debris that had happened over fall, and that's going to be another really good preventative step you can do. So I hope you found this helpful. I think being a homeowner is awesome, but there also are some responsibilities that come with it. So steps like this really do go a long way in your home ownership journey. Let me know if you have any questions, and as always, feel free to reach out. Have a good one.